We are heading over to Lowe's to pick up some material to finish with our flooring. We got done with the sound deadening boards on the floor yesterday, so we gotta buy some wood pieces, some foam, insulation, so we can get this thing wrapped up. We're gonna drive this new van over. Yeah, we did really good. Look, you see the walls? It came out really good. Yeah. All right, we're gonna drive the new van. I am gonna set up the car seat and we'll head over to Lowe's. Heading over to the lumber aisle. We gotta pick up some thin pieces of wood to create a frame for the floor. Yeah. Oh, what's that?
Balloon.
Oh, cool. Yeah, we'll create a frame for the flooring, and then we gotta buy the foam boards to fill inside that frame, and we'll put the subfloor right back on top. The original Mercedes flooring. That's gonna be our subfloor. So for the wood. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be a bit of savings. Because we already have that subfloor from Mercedes, so we're just gonna use the same piece. All right, let me see what I'm looking for. I need something like this. These are, well, I don't need poplar. Poplars are nice boards. These are 6 feet long. Pine boards are good. Yeah, like something like this. These boards right here. These are 1 inch by 2 inch by 6 feet. 1 inch by 2 inch. Yeah, I think these are gonna be good. I'll pick up a bunch of these. I think these are a little bit better. These are $5.29 for a 8-foot piece. I'm not sure yet. Hold on. So these are 3/4 inch thick by 1.5 inch. Yeah. Okay. All right. I don't know how many pieces I need yet. Maybe 5. We'll pick it up for now. Actually, I might need more. We can always return it if we don't need it, but I'll just get a few. I'd rather buy more than less.
Spencer, where you got this from? Spencer.
With this, I got 11 pieces of these board. Next, let's go find the foam boards. Yeah, let's put that back. Whoa, 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 this is turning. These are pretty nice looking, like raw cut boards here. You got the edges of the wood of the tree. This would be like a nice coffee table or countertop. Okay, I'm looking for these foam boards. This one is thick. The pink ones are Home Depot. Lowe's are green. Yeah. I'm looking for, this is too thick. This is like 2 inches. I need one that is, I think this would be a good size. This is, I think this is probably 3/4 inch. Let me measure this real quick. So I'm gonna be creating the frame on the side of the board here. This is the 3/4 inch. This should fit this board just right. Yeah, I think this is gonna work. Just like that. On second thought, we are gonna get this brand instead. This is John Manville. This has a bit of a higher R value than the green board. 1/2 inch thickness is 2.9. So this is a 3/4 inch thick is what we need. This is a 5.0 R value, which is better than the other one. And it's a little bit cheaper too. This is $31 a board. All right, let's get this. Just make sure it's in good condition. Alright, we ended up choosing this brand. We're getting 3 of these. These are the 1-inch ones. It's actually like 3/4 of an inch. And then we'll do the 1/2 inch here because we need that smaller board for the under the seat. So I think that should be enough. And we need some construction adhesive. Let's get like 3 of these. Yeah, Spencer did a lot today. He helped out. Did a lot of measuring too. Okay. All right, we are done. That's all we need. Spence, we're going this way. All right, let's get some of these expansion foams for the cracks. How many do we get? 4? We probably need more than that, but yeah, let's get 4 for now. For these little cracks. Cracks and nicks. You can take a look. And back. And...
Spence?
This way. All right, follow mama. There's a car coming. Go, follow mama. Just got back to my mom's house. It's starting to rain, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to work on the project today. But kind of just hang out here for a little bit. We'll see what happens afterwards. I just received the 3M insulation from Van Life Outfitters. Let's open it up. And it's definitely packaged differently than the one I bought from Amazon, the quote-unquote knockoffs. This one doesn't have any branding on the exterior or anything. So I hope these are real. I think they should be. I know Van Life Outfitters is a pretty reputable van life website. Spencer is napping. I'm gonna see what I can do on the van. The next part of the build is to construct a frame for the floor, and the foam board that I bought earlier is going to fit in between. It's going to be about 1 inch or 3/4 of an inch thick. I'm just trying to figure out what the best layout is for the frame because there's ridges that go up and down, and I want to make sure I can get it as flat as possible. So let me just plan these wooden sticks and we'll start constructing the frame. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna rest these boards on the highest ridge, like so, all on top, and I'm gonna be gluing them down to the floor. And I don't necessarily need to like make it a frame in the sense that it needs to attach to each other. As long as it's attached to the floor, that's okay, because the foam board is going to sit right in between and it's going to be the same height as this. What it really does is it just creates a platform for the original Mercedes floor to lay back on top, and that's going to be the entire floor where we start building things on. So this just needs to be level so that that board, that big 1-piece or 2-piece of board, is not gonna wiggle. And this is gonna be the insulation for the flooring. Let's start gluing these down. It looks like the adhesive is already starting to dry. I'm gonna start making some cuts to kind of continue building out this frame. I don't know how much more time I have because we're gonna be heading out later for dinner, but I'll make some cuts first, see how far I can get. Spencer is up from his nap. It looks like this is all I got done for today. Just pull down a few pieces here. And just these two here. Alright, I'll continue working on it another day. Let's wrap it up. We're meeting with our friends Jeff and Tammy and their son Asher. Spencer's gonna have a play date over at their house. It's Thor. Hey! What's up? What's up?
Hello, man.
What's up? What's up? Hey! Hey, Asher. You wanna go outside?
Yeah.
Hey, go outside. 係喎。
佢已經有咯。
哦，有啦。哦，OK。Yeah. Very good. We ordered some food from a Vietnamese spot. Got a whole soft shell crab there. Spencer's eating some noodle. Yeah, you like the noodles, Spence? Yeah. Got a bumble hoi. Gotta have a chicken, spring rolls. We're just gonna eat it at their house. We just got back to my mom's house. Spencer just took a bath and we had a lot of fun with our friend Asher. Yeah, and tomorrow I'm going to continue working on the van. I think these next few days in New York it's going to be pretty hot, so hopefully it's not going to be too bad so I can continue building it. So if you guys want to keep watching our van build, a DIY Sprinter van build, the planning and the actual build, hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new videos come out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that can spread out to more people. Right, Spencer's doing a like. Be sure to give Spencer a like. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Yeah, thank you for watching. Yes, we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. Aha!